the hell? Yo! Yo! What is that exhaust? Look at the exhaust! Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ow, just got smacked by a bug. That's the thing, when the weather is nice, there's like way too many bugs out. Tag team. So my bike has the stage 2 tune on it. He has a full exhaust system pretty much on his bike, but no tune. So we're swapping to see the difference between the two bikes. Oh yeah, the tune is so much nicer. The flat spot on this bike.
I'm so confused on shit.
I just recently switched this to GP shift and he has regular, so now we're like swapping.
I'm on the wheel, I'm pulling back. I'm like, where the fuck is it?
Not bad, not bad. This one has 1,600 miles. This one has almost 1,300. Oh my god, this guy. Oh my god. This guy. What the hell?
I thought it was good.
Oh my god. He doesn't like it.
I don't like it.
Thank you. Update you guys when we get to the destination so I can get his reaction, even though he barely rode it, so he barely felt the difference. But I mean, I totally feel the difference. There's no flat spot. The bike is way more responsive with the tune, even though it doesn't have an exhaust. So packed in here.
It was still red, that's why I went. I was like, oh shit, she's moving. I was like, what the fuck, she's moving? I look, it's green. I was like, shit.
I was like, what is this guy doing?
Yeah, because I didn't look at the light, I just looked at you.
Yeah.
like that. I was like, oh shit, I'm about to go. Because I thought we were gonna stop for a red light.
Did you feel the difference in the little ride you did though?
No.
The tune you didn't? You don't know how to ride.
Do a pull next to me. I feel like I'm gonna be neck and neck with you.
Yeah, we'll do a pull. I mean, it's not gonna be that, because you do have a full system and this doesn't. But I think still, like, I definitely feel the flat spot. This is way more responsive.
The not there. Like I can't lift this up like by gunning like that. That's when you
Yeah, in like second gear, third gear too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do a pull some other time. See the difference. Full exhaust system versus stock but tuned. Oh, you got an air filter too. Yeah.
But I just got the PO8.
Still.
Yeah, I didn't get the.
Still, I think like 50% more or 60.
Yeah.
The other one is like way more.
More air than stock.
Yeah.
I didn't want to go too crazy since we ride a lot.
I feel you. That's why I did that on the Aprilia too.
Plus, I ain't trying to pay no $250 for that. $100.
I have it on the V4R, the R1M, and the H2.
I was about to be mad at the girls. Like, where the fuck are you moving? And I see it was a green light. I started laughing.
Yeah.
I was like, oh shit.
Like this guy.
No, when you went like this, I thought you meant like park, like come next.
No, because you missed the exit. I was like, where's he going? I was like trying to signal to you. I didn't want to just go and, you know, you get lost again. So I just followed you. I was like, this guy.
I never know which place I'm going.
All right, time to get some food. Squat pulling. Oh, whoa. I can't even rev bone stock bike. I don't like it. Damn, it's popping in here. There isn't many nice cars, or any nice cars. My Hellcat.
Yeah, it's fucking hot.
I know, it's pretty warm, I'm not gonna lie. It's nice on the road, but now I'm hot. Like going around here.
Yeah, I wanted to go on
Wow.
Can you learn me?
S1000 gang. What the hell, yo? Yo! What is that exhaust? Look at the exhaust! Bro, now that's an exhaust. You need to do some shit like that on this. Imagine. I'm dead. Yeah. Exhaust will be like scraping on the floor while you wheelie. okay.
Do it again.
Oh, okay, that hurts my ears. They be wild. I'm the one with the cock exhaust. Yo, my ears are messed up. It's all my poor ears. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and support. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, ride safe.
Let me finish. Ride safe. Peace out.
Close enough. Good enough. Good enough. All right. Bye.